Shout out to Ryan Nixon and Imperfect from Mike Hand Records for dropping that Emoticon record. That's a great CD. Go check it out, Emoticon. Today's thoughts. I've been meaning to tell them, but they don't listen. I've been meaning to tell them, but they don't listen. Nobody listens. If you're intelligent, relevant, selling wit, educated, telling them etiquette to be a better gentleman. If you made it and it's good, they will hate it if they hood. If they would, get a little wiser when you shed a little light. You're gonna offend a couple fighters with the intentions and desires of a nice man. Your brain in my left and a mic in my right hand. Why cram the psychology and ideology of a nicer, wiser, taller me when comedy is all albeit with no apology? Intolerant to ignorance of all MCs, calling me stupid, silly, or low quality while your girl keeps calling me. Hey, I think the Cribbies gave up. Now, just like Bruce, I could use a leg up. Really doesn't matter, I'ma do this anyways, cause life is about a little more than Sega. Heard I was annoying. Not from the girl that I'm destroying. You sound like my mom with the words you aren't enjoying. Should be more worried about how your girl thinks you're boring. Today's thoughts. Comedy.